Hi. Hi. Welcome to Yeppoon.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes.
We've just come down to the Yeppoon Lagoon. Owen's yet again feeding himself. There is the Rocks bar here, so a cafe. There is also a health food shop or cafe here. It's an enormous infinity pool that outlooks to the ocean. The kids are absolutely loving it. There's also a restaurant above it. It's open till 9 p.m.
So summertime, she said open till 9, opens again at 6 a.m. After April it goes to winter time, so closes at 6 p.m.
There's heaps of deck chairs.
It's pretty awesome.
We got everything we need. Here we go. All we need.
We are at Great Keppel Island. We came over here on the ferry. It cost us $135 for the 4 of us. It is a little bit overcast today and it is sprinkling with rain on and off, but we are going to make the absolute most of it. There is so much to do here. There is a dive shop and a snorkeling shop. There's also cafes and restaurants and plenty of amenities. So we spoke to the dive shop and we're going to head over this little mountain over here. There's 2 reefs there which we're going to go and snorkel. We bought all our gear. If you don't, you can, but I think hire them for $20 for the entire day. But it is amazing. This is definitely a worthwhile stop if you're ever in Yeppoon.
And the wind.
What's the price?
Hey, if we were to do it again, we would just get a boat over here. That was some pretty epic rock climbing. Whew, but we made it.
All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing.
Righto, that's Yeppoon done. Awesome couple of days there in Yeppoon. The Yeppoon Lagoon was definitely a hit. We went off on the boat over to Great Keppel Island. Did a bit of snorkeling yesterday and had a bit of walk around that island. That island itself is amazing, has so much potential. All in all, really good. Park was good, place was good. Loved it. I could definitely do a few more nights in Yeppoon itself. And Toby didn't want to leave. He was like, Dad, can we come back? I was like, yeah.
It has a huge slide for the kids. They actually do adult cocktails and they have a little food van there on the weekends. They have a cinema for the kids on the weekend at night. Huge playground, and you also can have pancakes for breakfast if you just got to the front office. $3.50 and the kids get some pancakes, which is amazing. We're on to Mackay now. We're going to go stay with one of our friends, Paula. We're going to try and back this baby up in her backyard. We'll see how we go, and we'll show you around Mackay.
Every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
And a chance to see